So this is Pusheen. Pusheen the cat. Pusheen was my little architectural mascot through the duration of my architectural thesis that I completed in 2017. I needed something to keep me sort of company, so I pathetically drew Pusheen, and Pusheen sort of sat on the drawing board for the remainder of this process of completing the portfolio. What I love about this drawing is that it makes me laugh. And I think that's because Pusheen makes me laugh. Even just taking the second to draw something that wasn't architecture gave me just such a, just like a kick of energy, you know, to get back to the slog of measuring things and, you know, setting out grids and construction lines correctly. And it just reminded me that, you know, architects used to draw, like sketch with their hand, you know, not with their wrist, but with their entire arm, just you know, curves and swoops and bends and bits and just all sorts of stuff. I wish architects would draw again, you know, draw more. And when you've got a computer mouse, everything is just so rigid and stiff and confined. And I understand that that's what bosses want. That's what companies want today. They need things to be precise. But what happened to like that human flair that used to be in architecture and in drawings? Like, why don't we draw Pusheens in our projects? Why don't we draw people dancing? Like, why don't we have acrobats in the ceilings of our spaces that we're imagining? Like, where did the creativity go? Like, not even just that. I understand the practicalities of not having acrobats in your architectural drawings, but like even just like that creative artistic flair that used to exist in architectural representation, it just feels like it's like not around anymore. Like, am I being crazy? Like, do we see drawings that have that sort of energy anymore? Like, I'm thinking about Peter Salter's drawings. I'm thinking about Enric Marius's drawings. It's just a bit boring. But Revit can't do Pusheen. Just saying. Revit is what stops people from doing that. Like, it's being so restricted. It's like you're in a creative straitjacket, and it's just really frustrating. And Pusheen to me is my sort of totem for like architecture, in that it should be fun, it should be expressive, it shouldn't be too serious, it should work, it should be professional. I don't know. Bring back drawing, real drawing, sketching, fun stuff. Like, come on, make it fun again.